unlikely story of creatures who shouldn't be out in the middle of winter but are continues. We're all snowed in, and this little Spidey is out and about. Well, presently he's playing dead, but he was moving just a few seconds ago. Well, it's still brutally cold. I'm actually not surprised he's not doing so well. No idea why he's out here anyway. He didn't seem to do very good on the snow, so I picked him up. Oh, and he's dragging his two legs. Maybe that cold got to him a little bit. I picked him up so I can warm him up a little bit with my body heat. But those two front... oh. Now he dropped off. His two front legs don't look very good. But anyway, he dropped off. Maybe he wants to be on the snow. I'm gonna leave him be. What? What the hell is this? Oh, this is so tiny, you can barely see it. I would never have noticed it if I haven't bent over for the spider. And now I see this miniature thing, which is only, I don't even think it's 1 millimeter long, but it is moving. It moved its antennae. Oh, you see? Oh, it jumped. What the? Oh, honestly, why is this thing out in the middle of winter? How is it keeping warm? I have no idea. What the hell? It's crawling on that snow. I mean, from if you stand up as an adult, you could never see it. It is so tiny. Okay, that's my finger, right? It is so... hold on. Okay. It is so tiny. Oh. Can jump, but... oh. Oh, I almost buried it. Oops. Oh. Snow just gave in. Sorry for burying you in the snow. I wanted to show for the sake of scale compared to my hand. You were in the snow in the first place anyway. Okay, I'll put you back, whatever you are. Tiny little thing. Oh, and the poor Spidey. He doesn't look very good. But that's where I found him anyway, so I'm gonna leave him here and pray that he can make it. I don't know why you're out here this time of year anyway. Take care, you guys. Can't be too easy for you who are cold-blooded to be out here in this weather.